Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore beauty products with an expert eye and a genuine passion for what works. If you're struggling with dry, damaged hair that needs a boost of moisture and shine, stick around. Today, we're diving into the Bumble and Bumble bond-building hair repair, shampoo, and conditioner set. Let's see if this dynamic duo lives up to the hype and can help revive hair that's been through a lot. And hey, if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an honest review. Now, let's get into it. The Bumble and Bumble bond-building hair repair shampoo and conditioner set promises a lot. A lot of damaged hair has been through heat styling, color treatments, and daily stress. This set claims to strengthen, smooth the cuticle, add shine, and even reverse the look of heat, chemical, and physical damage. It's suitable for all hair types, whether curly, wavy, or straight, making it a versatile choice for those looking for a deep repair treatment. Looking at the ingredients, both products feature Bumble and Bumble's proprietary bond-building technology, which helps to repair the internal structure of the hair, while also offering added moisture and protection. The shampoo works to cleanse without stripping, while the conditioner focuses on adding moisture, helping to lock in hydration, and smoothing the hair for a shinier, healthier look. When I started using this set, I was cautious, especially with my own curly hair. I've tried so many products that promise to smooth and hydrate, but too often, they leave my curls limp or weighed down. I'm happy to say that this duo is different. The shampoo lathered beautifully, without leaving my hair feeling stripped, which is key for my curls. It didn't leave that tight, squeaky feeling that often comes with other shampoos, which is a big plus for me. The conditioner, on the other hand, was thick and creamy. It felt really nourishing when I applied it, and I could immediately feel it smoothing out the roughness of my hair. After rinsing, my hair didn't feel heavy or greasy, just soft and shiny with a natural bounce. Now let's break down the pros and cons. The first pro is definitely the texture. Both the shampoo and conditioner are luxurious in feel, but not too thick or greasy. A little bit of product goes a long way, so even with the 4.06-ounce bottles, you won't find yourself running out too quickly. They're also color safe, which is crucial for anyone with color-treated hair. And I noticed no fading after use. My hair felt healthier right away. It wasn't weighed down, and it didn't look overly shiny or greasy, just soft and bouncy. On the flip side, there's a slight con in terms of the price. It's a premium product, so it comes with a premium price tag. If you're on a budget, it might feel a little steep, but it does deliver on its promises. For those who want fast results and have the budget for it, this might be worth the investment. Another minor downside for me is that the scent is fairly subtle, which may be a pro for some, but I do enjoy a fragrance that lingers a bit longer after I wash my hair. When it comes to value for money, this product does a good job of justifying its price, especially if you've been dealing with serious damage or if you regularly color your hair. The bond-building technology is something that sets it apart from cheaper alternatives, and it really does help restore hair's overall health and strength. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly alternative, you might want to try products with similar ingredients like keratin or biotin, which work well for repairing hair, but don't come with the same price tag. In terms of build quality, the packaging is simple but sturdy. The bottles are compact, so it's easy to travel with them, and the pumps ensure you're not wasting any product. I've been using both for a couple of weeks now, and I can say that the results have been noticeable. Smoother, shinier hair without any signs of product buildup. I'm excited to see how my hair continues to feel over the next few months. Now, I know what you're thinking. Does this live up to its claims? Honestly, yes. My hair feels stronger, healthier, and more manageable after using this shampoo and conditioner. It's not a miracle cure, but the results are definitely noticeable. I would recommend it for anyone with damaged hair that needs some TLC, particularly if you've been dealing with frizz, dryness, or breakage. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.